Hello, everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining us for today's webinar on using Leap forms and templates. Let's cover a few logistics before we jump into the exciting stuff. Today's webinar will run for approximately 30 minutes in listen-only mode. If you are looking for more individualized training, be sure to reach out to your firm's Client Success Manager or send an email to clientsuccess@leap.us. As a quick reminder, you can always click on the blue question mark to quickly access help and support at the Leap Help Center. Today's webinar is all about forms and templates. This includes learning how to search for forms and templates in Leap, to create a new document, to edit and modify Leap's forms and templates to better suit your firm's needs, to utilize basic automation tools, including inserting fields and replacing references, and how to provide feedback to the Leap content development team. Drafting and editing legal documents and correspondence is a major aspect of day-to-day legal practice, and Leap includes a wide range of forms and templates for you and your firm to use. Leap users can also create or upload their own templates. The Leap forms are created and maintained by Leap's legal experts, including many former practicing attorneys, paralegals, and technology professionals. Our combination of legal experience and tech knowledge allow us to bring the best automated content right to your firm through Leap. To access the Forms and Templates screen, open any matter, and the Forms and Templates button will be visible on the Details and Correspondence tab. If you are using the most recent version of Leap, version 2.5 or later, the Forms and Templates window will typically open on the Generator tab. Generator is a powerful tool for creating documents based on templates, prior correspondence, or generative AI. You can click on one of the suggested prompts or use the text box to enter a description of the document that you want to create. Note that Generator uses smart search technology, so when you are searching the voluminous Leap Forms and Templates library, you do not need to provide an exact match on a document's name to receive a variety of relevant search results from the system. Generator provides results from several locations, including the Leap Forms and Templates library, templates uploaded to Leap by your firm, other documents contained in your Leap matters, and AI-generated content provided by LawY, the AI legal assistant. Clicking on a result will present a preview of the document on the right-hand side. You can adjust the center border to make the preview larger or smaller. The preview will be displayed prior to Leap fields being added or updated. If you ultimately create a new document based on previous firm correspondence, any automated fields will be dynamically updated. Selecting the option under the LawY heading will create an AI version of the requested document. You will see the document being drafted in real time, with some information being subsequently added based on the details from your matter. Once you have selected the document you want to generate, click the Create button. Documents with a pre-existing document type and addressee will be addressed to that contact. LawY-generated documents will give you the option to select the type of document and to whom it should be addressed. Clicking the drop-down next to Create will also give you the option to create the entry in email format. The range of results can be adjusted by using the filters on the right-hand side to search in similar areas of law, alternative jurisdictions, or by using the Result Relevancy slider to make the results more or less exacting. You can also edit the prompt at any time to make it more specific. Alternatively, you may prefer to browse the entire catalog of available forms and templates. You can do so by navigating to the Browse tab. This will take you to the top-level folder for the matter type associated with this matter. From here, you can navigate through the folders and the subfolders in this matter type, or you can explore other areas of law or jurisdictions. If you are searching for a specific form, you can utilize the search box to quickly find what you're looking for, both within the current or other matter types. Let's do a simple search for the term motion. The search results will show all folders and templates that match the query. You can filter the search using the drop-down menu to the right. Choose between forms in the whole state or limiting the search to those forms that are relevant to the matter type you are currently working on. Searches can be made either by the name of the document, the LEAP template code, or the form number. Searching by form number is especially helpful if you are looking for government-issued forms that already contain LEAP automation. Hover over a search result to view the template's location. To navigate to that location, right-click, select View Template's Location, and follow the on-screen prompts. A document can be opened in two different ways. First, by single-clicking to select, and then clicking on the Select button in the lower right of the window, or simply double-clicking on the document. After a moment of loading time, you'll have your document ready to go, pre-populated with data from your matter. You can customize any of LEAP's forms or templates to match the preferences of your firm, such as by applying typefaces or editing the text of the forms. When modifying a template provided by LEAP, we strongly recommend that you start by creating a duplicate. This will prevent any future content updates from overwriting your firm changes. To start, locate the form that you would like to use as a base. For today's demonstration, we will use a letter of intent associated with a New Jersey real estate matter. Right-click on the template and select Duplicate Template. Observe that a second version of the document appears at the bottom of the document list. Its name also appears in dark blue text. We will want our changes to apply every time that our new template is opened in the future. To ensure this, right-click on your copy and select Edit Template. The document will open in Microsoft Word. You can now make whatever modifications are needed, from typeface changes to margins to document text. When you are done with your changes, you can choose from two options. 1. Save, if you would like to save your work so far and leave the template open for further editing. Or 2. Save and close, if you are done for now and you would like to save your work and close the template. For now, let's save and close. No matter which option you choose, you will be prompted to provide a reason for the changes. For this example, we will enter Changed Font. Returning to the Forms and Templates menu, right-click your document and select History of Changes to view all prior versions. LEAP allows for version control, so if you ever want to go back to a prior version, you can simply click on an older version and select Set as Current. This display also includes helpful information including the date and time of the change, as well as the person at the law firm who took the action. Using an accurate description in the reason for change can help with this process. Additionally, if you need a visual, you can utilize the compare function. Hold Control while selecting versions and click the Compare icon. Then Compare in the next menu for both documents to open in the Compare view in Microsoft Word. Let's return to our custom template. Remember that by using Edit Template, we were able to make changes that will now appear every time this template is opened in the future. Leap has provided a solid framework for this letter of intent to purchase, but there may be more customization that you would like to see included. For example, maybe you would like to include the name of the person who is drafting the document to appear directly under the title. To do so, we can add the text "Prepared by" directly beneath the document title, Letter of Intent to Purchase. You can also utilize Leap fields so that this information updates every time we open the template in the future. To insert a field, start by locating the editing icon on the Leap Word ribbon. From here, select the Insert Fields option. The Leap Document Automation pane will appear, and you will be on the Fields tab by default. This menu consists of several components, which we will review as we go. To start, select the card or the table that you would like to pull data from. Information about the person preparing a form, referred to in Leap as the current user, resides on the Matter table, so select this from the Card/Table dropdown. One of the first things you may notice is just how many fields there are. You can scroll through the fields to locate the data that you need, or you can utilize the search function. In the search bar, type Current User. Observe that the list of fields includes one labeled Current User Full Name. Single-click the field and observe that a preview of the data appears at the bottom of the Document Automation pane under the Field Preview. Let's quickly review how to get the data from Leap into your document. Click off of the Document Automation panel, and now, in your document, click the location where you would like the automation to appear. Next, insert the field in one of either two ways. Either double-click on the field from the Document Automation panel, or right-click on the field in the Document Automation panel and select Insert as Field. Your data will then populate into the template. There is a field that corresponds to just about every piece of data on your Leap Matter. Please note that if your field preview displays as blank, then you should cross-check that the relevant information has been filled out in your Matter. While you might not have all of the information about your Matter at the time of its inception, you should endeavor to provide as much information as possible. Your Matter is the foundation for all later automation in Leap. The more information that you can provide, the more that you can make automation work for your law firm. Any piece of data from Leap can also be presented to your preferences. Let's move on and look at the Leap formatting options. Start by selecting a field within your document. You can give yourself a visual of where fields are located by clicking on Editing and then choosing Toggle Fields. Let's choose the field that we have just placed in our template, the Current User Full Name. The field can be selected by single-clicking on the light yellow text on the left-hand side. To format the field, navigate back to the Editing menu and select Format Fields. The Field Formatting submenu appears. By using the options that are presented here, you can make sure that your data appears how you need it every time you use this template. You are presented with different formatting options, and each provides additional choices that are dependent upon the type of data that you are working with. You may have some formats for text, like names or addresses, while other options are available for dates and another set of options for numbers. In this example, let's set it so that the name appears in all caps within the template by selecting the uppercase option. Click Uppercase and then OK. Within the document, observe that the name is now in all caps. If you change your mind, you can always remove the formatting that you applied by returning to Format Fields and selecting Unformatted. When you are done, click Save and Close. Remember, we want our reason for change to be accurate and helpful in distinguishing versions. So, for example, you can let the other members of your firm know that you added the document preparer's name. Another great automation tool to be aware of is Replace References, which lets you quickly redirect correspondence from one party to another. For example, if you have a letter that you need to send to the seller's realtor, but it has already been created and automated to the seller's attorney, Replace References will get you this letter as you need it with just a few clicks of the mouse. Let's start by opening the letter to the seller's attorney and then going to the Editing menu. From here, click Replace References. On the left side of the menu, labeled File to Replace, select the word Default. This means that we are replacing the data for the default addressee in the template. On the right side of the menu, labeled New File to be Used, select the party that you would now like the letter to be addressed to. For our example, let's select the seller's realtor. When you are ready, click OK. The letter has now been updated. This is a helpful method to be aware of if you quickly need multiple copies of a letter template to be directed to multiple different parties. You can provide feedback about any LEAP template quickly and easily. Start by navigating to the LEAP ribbon. Next, go to the Provide Feedback button. Click on Provide Feedback to open a Content Feedback Request form. When you opt to provide feedback directly from the template, most of the feedback form will pre-populate with the relevant data. Provide your feedback and then click the Submit button when you are ready. A member of the LEAP content development team will reach out to you regarding your request within a few business days. If you would like additional training, LEAP also offers additional template automation training. If you'd like to learn more, please contact your firm's Client Success Manager or send an email to clientsuccess@leap.us. To keep up to date with content updates, be sure to visit the LEAP content blog at community.leap.us/s/blog and subscribe for email updates if you have not done so already. On a final note, if you are experiencing any technical issues with LEAP that are not related to general use of the software and understanding how to work its features, the fastest way to get technical support assistance is to contact our Help Desk live chat available at the LEAP Help Center.